5 and let's get into it. What's good, Cast family? Back at you with another banger, and today we have an assist from KD, the Loctician. She gonna go in, do her thing, and I'm gonna follow her up and do my thing. But in the midst of that, I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. Now lock in and let's cash out. Now that KD has rinsed her hair, she gonna go in with her preferred shampoo and lather her up. Steady motion, gently caressing and massaging the scalp, providing a relaxing experience, one that's surely gonna bring the client back for another opportunity to cash them out. Steady like a string, here she is, washing away all the suds, preparing to condition her up. And like always, steady motion, gently caress and massage the scalp, and you are locked to bring that client back every single time. Let's rock. Rinse, wash, repeat, and we're gonna get there. Pull her up, get her dried off. Now let's head in to KD's arena and play ball. First thing first, KD's gonna head in, section the head off, and get everything blew out. And in this video, Cast family, I wanted to bring you something you didn't know you needed. A tag team, the tandem, the duo, Cash and KD. She gonna twist you up, and I'ma cash them out every single time. And like always, Gilly made the beat, so it's some heat, boy. Now that the hair has been blow dried, time to head in and make some parts. And word on the street is, KD don't play about her parts. She keep them shits official. And like I told you, as you can see, KD don't play about these parts. Everything is coming together real smooth. Stay locked in, Cash family, and watch how this hairstyle turns out. And if you ever find yourself in the Atlanta, Decatur, Georgia area, find us at 2446 Wesley Chapel Road, Suite A, Brown's Barber Lounge. Search for KD Did It and Cash Clips on Instagram. I don't know a Loctician better. Peep the parts, check the twist. Everything's nice, crispy, and clean. So we're gonna head into this fourth quarter, and I'm gonna make this first guideline for this taper, cause you know it's my time to act the fool. She done threw me the lob, and I'm gonna slam that bitch in. Coming in with our one guard, level fully open, making our first guideline, going up 1/2 inch. Scooping in with our slimiest guard of them all, our one guard level fully closed, going up 1/2 inch, securing our second guideline. Using my 1.5 slime green guard to debulk the situation. And we're gonna follow that up with the one guard level fully open, knocking out any last minute stragglers. Today's single will be Give Me a Reason by Gilly Beats. Let's rock out. Give me a reason you getting deleted.
delete it. Smoking on hybrid, I don't mean a Prius. Push start, but my car can't kill it. My bitch is bad, she pretty conceited. My package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon. You think about crossing, you getting deleted. Give me a reason.
Can't forget, we always gotta do that level play. Soon after, we're gonna take the guard off and go in, no guard, and freak it every which way, like MJ.
You think about crossing, you getting deleted. I'm smoking on happy, they talking about the Prius. You think about crossing, you getting deleted. 2 twin glocks to Mary and Tia. My bitch be Spanish better than beer. Grow my green ch-ch-ch-chia. These niggas ain't seen me like John Cena. I'm skating on ice.
And what we do to one side, we must do to the other.
Stepping like Martin, no Gina. I made one call, my dog gon' clean him. My nigga been spinning and spinning and spinning. I walk in the mall and I just gotta stand it. I set my own style, I don't care what's trending. I'm stuck in the lab, I feel like a chemist. I added a math, I love addiction. You don't want steady that shit called friction. Told my bitch to bring a addition. I love bad bitch, I got an addiction. These nigga be hold, these nigga be switching. I'm too real, a nigga can't relate. These nigga be fake, these nigga too fake. These nigga be snake, they smell in your face. You think about causing, you getting a race. Give me a reason, you getting deleted. Smoking on hybrid, I don't mean a Prius. Push start, but my car can't kill it. My bitch is bad, she pretty conceited. My package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon.
Oh yeah, bro in the background, that fresh ass cut, yeah, that's my work. I cashed them out. You know I did.
Package gas, this shit can't seal it. All of this ice got me feeling anemic. I look in the mirror, I'm facing my demon. You think about crossing, you getting deleted.
Saturday looking, I stay out of mid. Spot him, we got him, get hit with a stick. Nigga reef from my chain, get shot and get shit. Got slugs in my mouth, every big getting hit. 10 on my head, but he phone with a miss. Gucci man flow, got the scales in the kitchen. My whole gang starting fire, shoot like the piss. He paid me a band, so I left it but miss.
Stay consistent, and like the sensei say, fresh one, fade one, and you will achieve the desired outcome. That was Gilly Beats featuring Cam with Give Me a Reason with today's banger. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get back to the cut.
Give me a reason to crash on the art. Give me a reason to pull out the Glock. Bah.
Moving in with our slime green trimmer, setting our first guideline for that neck taper. Again, Cash family, consistency is key. Consistency, consistency, consistency. And let's cash out. And I really hope you guys stay locked in. I got a lot more on the way, but for now we coming in with that one guard, level fully closed, going up about half an inch, setting our next guideline. Brushing one, fading one, using that slimy trimmer to do the slimiest of work. And you know we always gotta bring back the slimiest guard of them all. That one guard, level fully open, the bulk in the situation. And remember, Cash family, the corner of that blade is gonna do you justice every single time. Work them corners, use that clipper. The clipper designed to make it happen. You just gotta trust the process and cash out. Moving in with the paper towel and the alcohol, cleaning off any excess chemicals or oils that may already be on the surface of the canvas. Moving back in with the pissed off barber trimmer to debulk the situation. One guard, level fully closed, further prepping for this cash lineup. Mixed in with the got to be glue hairspray. Let's get into it. Pulling Remy back out to lock in the situation. Next, we're gonna head in with our Babyless Pro trimmer, center mask, moving left to right, ensuring that we're putting the crispiest and most even line that we can on this taper. Locking in, securing that vertical bar. Cash family, I also want to put it out there that I am doing a 100 subscriber giveaway Help me get to 100 subscribers and I will be giving away $25 via Cash App. I know it's not a lot, but we gotta start somewhere. Lock in and let's get it. As we finish up on this side of the ear and neck region, be cautious, always use the corner. These things will cut somebody. Moving in next, setting our next vertical bar for that neck taper.
Gilly made the beat so with some heat, boy.
And when I get uncomfortable, Cash family, I do go back to what's most comfortable to me, and that's Tramisha. I can't leave her alone. And you know we back with the swordsman style Wu-Tang Shaolin monk. I got my katana, and we doing the dirty work. YouTube, this is the cut. I hope you guys loved it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, all links to music, all links to tools, and any information that you may need and booking will be in the description area.